MS67 from Beissbarth assembles wheels up to 30-inch rim diameter and 22 inches wide, quickly, firmly, precisely. Removal. The wheel lift of the MS67 also lifts heavy SUV wheels without problem and puts them down on the assembly table of the machine. In this way, all types of wheel can be clamped on the flange gently, quickly and precisely. Disassembly can start after the valve has been removed. To break the bead off the rim flange, the tyre is turned and at the same time rode off by the bead breeling rollers. To improve sliding, lubricant is applied to the top rim flange, the hump and the top tyre bead. It can happen that the bottom tyre bead is forced off but keeps snapping back to behind the rim flange. No problem with a bead hold-down plate. Simply clamp the plate between the tyre and the rim with the bottom bead-breaking roller. After positioning the assembly head, the pneumatic bead hold-down is applied between the 6 and 9 o'clock position. It keeps the tyre in the drop centre. Now the fitting arm is lubricated and inserted between the tyre and the top rim flange. The top bead-breaking roller is removed from the working area. It automatically folds up at the top end position. This provides more space for ease of removal. The tyre bead is lifted above the mounting head by the mounting lever. Now the mounting lever can be pulled out. After removing the bead hold-down, the wheel is turned until the top tyre bead is completely removed. Next, the bottom tyre bead is lifted above the top rim flange with the bottom bead-breaking roller. The tyre can be taken away easily. Precision technology and the patented RFT mounting lever from Beissbarth makes even hardest limp home tyres easy to fit without damage. Assembly. To improve sliding, lubricant is applied to the top rim flange, the hump and the tyre beads. Now the bottom tyre bead is turned over the mounting head and moved behind the top rim flange. The tyre is moved in the drop centre with the top bead-breaking roller, the auxiliary arm and the pneumatic bead hold-down and can fully slide behind the rim flange over the mounting head. After installing the tyre valve, the tyre is inflated with the integrated compressed air system. If the tyre should not be flush with the hump, it can happen that air escapes faster than the tyre is inflated. This often happens with large section tyres. The integrated fast inflation system is helpful in this case. Just attach the tyre inflator to the valve, supply air and also use the rapid inflation gun. After inflation, the wheel can be released from the flange and lifted off the machine easily with the wheel lift.